So for this tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit the brand kit colors in your Canva template. So first things first, we're going to go over to brand to the left side. And as you guys can see, there's colors selected. If I go to see all, I can click and I can actually edit my color palette. So let's say if I want to edit this document and I want my color scheme to be black, white, and red, I'm going to come on here and I'm going to select my slider to pick the color that I want. So now I have the red selected and I'm going to hit save. And it's going to save the changes. And perfect. Now, the thing about having your brand colors here, it means that whenever you decide to edit any of the color within your Canva template, you'll be able to just go to your brand kit colors and replace it using those. So let's say for this element here, I want to change out the colors. Right now, it's black, gray, and white. So I can go to click the color that I want to change. And as we can see again, my brand kit color templates are right here. And as we can see again, my brand kit color palette's right here. So I can click the red that I want to change it to. I can click the black, or if I want to do white here, and I can, let's say if I want to do another red. So now you can utilize the brand kit colors to make it easy to change the brand kit on your template. It's even as simple as if you want to edit the text. If we go to the text and we click the A to change the text color, again, you'll be able to see your brand kit colors. Again, you'll be able to see your brand kit colors on the left side. It's just that simple. So if you're editing with Canva, you want to make sure that you create your brand kit color palette just to make it easy to be consistent and concise with your colors for your template. Another cool aspect about creating your brand kit color palette is it allows you to actually shuffle the colors in your template. So if we just go back here to our colors and we hit shuffle, as you can see, the different elements start to change color based on the color of your brand kit. And you can even go to apply to all pages and it'll do the exact same thing, changing the color templates throughout your entire Canva template. I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I can't wait to see what you create.